Hey friends, welcome back to Idioms Through Songs, where we make English idioms stick in your brain like your favorite song lyrics. We've already jammed through Song 1 and Song 2, and today, we're serving up Song number 3, The Coffee Shop Girl, with 11 fresh idioms. Trust me, after this song, you'll never forget what water under the bridge means. Ready? Let's go.
I met her at a coffee shop one rainy afternoon. She smiled and said, every cloud has a silver lining soon. It means good things can come from pain.
Don't lose your way.
I laughed and said, you read my mind, and we talked the day away.
She said it's just water under the bridge, my friend. It means let go of the past, it's not the end.
Take it easy, go with the flow, you reap what you sow. That's how we grow. It felt like love, simple and true. The world made sense through the words she knew. Weeks went by, we met each day, sharing dreams in our own way. She'd say, don't bite off more than you can chew.
It means don't take on too much, just do what you can do.
Her voice was soft, her eyes were kind. She taught me peace of heart and mind. Then one day, she had to go.
She said don't put all your eggs in one basket, you know.
It means have more dreams, don't depend on just one.
Before she left, she whispered,
Follow the sun.
it means keep hope, brighter days will come.
She said it's just water under the bridge, my friend. Don't let old pain come back again.
Take it easy, go with the flow, you reap what you sow. That's how we grow.
Her words still echo in my mind.
Wisdom, gentle and kind. Gentle and kind.
Now every time I pass that place,
I see her smile, I hear her grace.
she taught me more than words could say.
In idioms that light my way.
Every cloud has a silver lining,
That's true.
and better late than never. I still thank you. Every idiom has a story, and sometimes they teach us more than grammar. They teach us life.
Beautiful, right? Now that you've heard the song, let's break down those idioms one by one. Each idiom has a special meaning that'll help you express yourself like a native speaker. Ready? Let's start with idiom number 1. Every cloud has a silver lining. This is such a beautiful and hopeful idiom. It means that even in difficult or sad situations, there's always something positive to be found. No matter how bad things seem, there's a reason to stay hopeful. Here's an example. I lost my job, but every cloud has a silver lining. I finally have time to start my own business. So remember, when life gets tough, look for that silver lining. Number 2, read my mind. Have you ever had someone know exactly what you're thinking without you saying a word? That's what this idiom means. When someone reads your mind, they understand your thoughts or feelings perfectly, almost like magic. For example, when she brought me coffee without asking, I said, "You read my mind. That's exactly what I needed." It's a fun way to say someone really gets you. Idiom number 3, water under the bridge. This is one of my favorites. It means something from the past that's no longer important or worth worrying about. When we say something is water under the bridge, we're letting it go and moving forward. Listen to this example. We argued last year, but that's all water under the bridge now. We're good friends again. It's all about forgiveness and not holding on to the past. Beautiful, right? Number 4, take it easy. This is super common and really useful. It means to relax, calm down, or not stress too much. You can use it when someone's working too hard or worrying about something. Example, you've been working nonstop. Take it easy this weekend and rest. You might also hear people say, take it easy as a casual goodbye, like, see you later, take it easy. So versatile. Idiom number 5, go with the flow. I love this one. It means to be flexible and adapt to situations as they happen. Instead of fighting against change or trying to control everything, you just go with it naturally. Here's an example. I didn't plan this trip carefully. I just decided to go with the flow and see what happens. It's perfect for people who want to live more spontaneously and stress-free. Number 6, you reap what you sow. This idiom comes from farming. Reap means to harvest, and sow means to plant seeds. So the meaning is, you get results based on your actions. If you do good things will happen to you. If you do bad things, well, you get the idea. Example, he worked hard for years and now he's successful. You reap what you sow. It's all about karma and taking responsibility for your choices. Powerful stuff. Idiom number 7, don't bite off more than you can chew. Picture this. You take a huge bite of food that's too big for your mouth. That's uncomfortable, right? Well, this idiom means don't take on more responsibilities or tasks than you can handle. Listen, I wanted to volunteer for 3 projects, but my friend warned me not to bite off more than I can chew. It's great advice for staying balanced and not overwhelming yourself. Know your limits. Number 8, peace of mind. This idiom describes that wonderful feeling of calm and freedom from worry or anxiety. When you have peace of mind, you feel mentally and emotionally tranquil. Everything feels okay. Example, having good insurance gives me peace of mind when I travel. We all need peace of mind in our busy lives, don't we? It's such an important feeling. Idiom number 9, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine carrying all your eggs in just one basket. If you drop it, you lose everything. That's why this idiom means don't risk everything on a single plan or opportunity. Diversify your options. Here's an example. She applied to 10 universities because she didn't want to put all her eggs in one basket. Smart advice for life decisions, investments, or any situation where you need a backup plan. Number 10. Follow the sun. This is a beautiful poetic idiom. It means to stay optimistic, pursue happiness and hope, and keep moving toward brighter days. Even when things are dark, keep following that light. Example, after his loss, his friend told him to follow the sun, meaning to keep looking forward to better times. It's such an uplifting message, especially when life gets challenging. Always follow the sun. And finally, idiom number 11, better late than never. This is a really practical one. It means it's better to do something late than not to do it at all. Maybe you're running behind or you forgot something. That's okay. At least you're doing it now. Listen, I finally apologized to her after 2 years. Better late than never, right? So if you've been putting something off, remember, it's never too late to start. Better late than never. Congratulations! You just expanded your English vocabulary with 11 idioms. But we're not done yet. Now comes the magic moment. When you hear these idioms in the song again, they'll feel familiar, like old friends. The music will help them stick in your brain forever. Let's listen one more time and let these idioms sink in.
I met her at a coffee shop one rainy afternoon. She smiled and said, every cloud has a silver lining soon. It means good things can come from pain.
Don't lose your way.
I laughed and said, you read my mind, and we talked the day away.
She said it's just water under the bridge, my friend. It means let go of the past, it's not the end.
Take it easy, go with the flow, you reap what you sow. That's how we grow. It felt like love, simple and true. The world made sense through the words she knew. might say, don't bite off more than you can chew.
It means don't take on too much, just do what you can do.
Her voice was soft, her eyes were kind. She taught me peace of heart and mind. Then one day she had to go.
She said don't put all your eggs in one basket, you know.
It means have more dreams, don't depend on just one.
Before she left she whispered,
follow the sun.
it means keep hope, brighter days will come.
She said it's just water under the bridge, my friend. Don't let old pain come back again.
Take it easy, go with the flow, you reap what you sow, that's how we grow.
Her words still echo in my mind.
Wisdom gentle and kind. Gentle and kind.
Now every time I pass that place,
I see her smile, I hear her grace.
she taught me more than words could say.
In idioms that light my way,
Every cloud has a silver lining,
that's true.
and better late than never. I still thank you. Every idiom has a story, and sometimes they teach us more than grammar. They teach us life.
There you have it. 11 idioms, one song, and memories that'll last. That's the magic of learning idioms through music. They just stick. I bet you're already humming Water Under the Bridge in your head right now, aren't you? Quick reminder. We've now learned 42 idioms across 3 songs in this series. Catch up on songs 1 and 2 in the playlist below, and get ready because song number 4 is coming soon. Challenge. Use one idiom from today's song in real life this week, then tell me about it in the comments. I'll be reading them all. Thanks for learning with me. Stay awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because song number 4 is on the way. Keep learning, keep vibing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.